Stop boiling sweet potatoes in water because you're inadvertently destroying their natural sweetness and many valuable nutrients. Hello, it's great to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. Today, I'm going to share some incredibly simple yet clever tips to help you prepare sweet potatoes so they're sweeter, more fragrant, and retain all their nutrients. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. And we'll start with the most important step, choosing the right sweet potatoes. First, choose sweet potatoes that are firm, fresh, and plump. Avoid those with wrinkled skin or that feel too light when you pick them up. These are signs that the potatoes have started to lose their original flavor and quality. After selecting the potatoes you like, the next step is to wash them thoroughly. Prepare a large bowl of clean water. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Stir quickly until completely dissolved. Baking soda is a familiar ingredient in any kitchen. It's a little helper that every household should have. It gently helps remove dirt, pesticide residue, even the thin layer of wax that sometimes clings to potato skins. After soaking, gently rub the surface of each potato with your hands. You will see the water begin to become slightly cloudy. That's all the impurities being washed away. There's a small but extremely important tip. Never peel sweet potatoes before steaming or baking them. That thin skin does more than you think. It retains natural moisture, keeping the inside soft, creamy, and rich, while preserving valuable nutrients like fiber, potassium, and antioxidants. If you peel them too early, all those good qualities, along with the sweet potato's natural sweetness, will be lost. Next, prepare another bowl of clean water and add about 2 tablespoons of salt. Stir well until the salt is completely dissolved. Then put the sweet potatoes in and rinse them again. This is a great classic tip that both chefs and mothers and grandmothers love. Let the potatoes soak in salt water for about 15 minutes. The salt water helps slow down the oxidation process, keeps the potatoes bright in color, and also activates natural enzymes that make potatoes easier to digest, reducing bloating or heartburn. After soaking, take an old toothbrush or a small vegetable brush and gently scrub the potato skins. The soft bristles will get into the tiny crevices, where dirt usually hides, helping to clean the potatoes thoroughly without scratching the skin. You'll be surprised how much cleaner and smoother the potatoes look after just a few minutes. Every time my grandmother prepared sweet potatoes, she always said, "It's these little habits that make the food tastier and keep the whole family safe." Once you try it, you'll understand why my grandmother never skipped this step. Next, before baking the potatoes, there's a simple step that will help them cook more evenly. Use a fork or small knife to poke a few holes around the potato. This allows steam to escape during baking, preventing the potato skin from cracking and resulting in a perfectly soft and smooth interior. This is the secret to making your sweet potatoes special, and I believe many people have never heard of it. To enhance the flavor, brush the potatoes with a thin layer of butter or oil before baking. Use melted butter or olive oil and spread it evenly over the potato skins. You don't need much, just a thin layer is enough. This small step helps the potato skins turn a beautiful golden color and become slightly crispy when cooked. Not only beautiful, it also brings a rich, buttery aroma and a more intense flavor with every bite. The natural sweetness of the potato blends with the butter for a wonderfully warm and pleasant sensation. At the same time, the butter prevents the skin from drying out, keeping the inside moist, soft, and smooth. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Next, bake the potatoes in the air fryer. Line the basket with parchment paper. Arrange the potatoes inside, making sure not to pack them too tightly. Leave space between the potatoes so that the hot air can circulate evenly. That's the secret to that perfect golden, fragrant skin. Set the temperature to 200 degrees Celsius, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for about 30 minutes. Halfway through the baking time, you can flip the potatoes once to ensure they cook evenly on all sides. When the potatoes are cooked, your kitchen will be filled with a sweet, warm aroma, a surprisingly pleasant scent. When you take the sweet potato out, you'll find the skin slightly crispy and easy to peel, while the inside is soft, creamy, and melts in your mouth, retaining the full natural sweetness of the sweet potato. I wish I could enjoy that taste forever. Besides baking, if you prefer a softer and more traditional method, steaming is the perfect choice. Add water to the steamer pot and bring to a boil over medium heat. When the water starts to simmer, place the steamer rack on top and arrange the potatoes evenly in the pot. Try not to stack them too high so that the steam can circulate evenly around each bulb. Close the lid tightly to keep all the steam inside. And steam for about 20 minutes. When the time is up to check, gently pierce the potato with a bamboo stick or fork. If the toothpick goes through it as easily as if it were butter, that means the potatoes are perfectly cooked. Turn off the heat and let the potatoes rest for a few minutes. At this point, the potato skin will peel off easily, revealing a soft, moist, and naturally sweet interior. Steaming helps preserve all the nutrients, fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, making it not only the healthiest way to eat, but also one of the tastiest ways to enjoy sweet potatoes. Since we already have steamed sweet potatoes, I'll introduce another easy-to-make and incredibly delicious dish: baked sweet potatoes with butter and milk. Peel off the skin. Place the soft intestines in a large bowl. Use a fork to gently mash the potatoes until smooth and lump-free. Add 1 tablespoon of butter. The heat from the potatoes will melt the butter instantly, releasing a rich, creamy aroma that fills the kitchen. Mix well until the mixture is smooth and glossy. Crack 1 egg into a small bowl, whisk lightly, then pour it into the bowl of warm potatoes. Mix well. The eggs will create a smooth, creamy texture with a beautiful golden color. You can add a pinch of salt and drizzle with olive oil for a richer flavor. Line the air fryer basket with parchment paper. Scoop the mixed potato mixture onto parchment paper and use a spoon to shape it. Oval, round, or flatbread-like shapes are all fine. Keep the potatoes about the width of a finger so they cook evenly without drying out. Set the air fryer to a low temperature, around 110 degrees Celsius, 230 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake slowly for 25 minutes. Set the air fryer to a low temperature, around 110 degrees Celsius, 230 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake slowly for 25 minutes. While you wait, you can tidy the kitchen or make yourself a warm cup of tea. The sweet, creamy aroma alone is enough to bring a smile to anyone's face. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. When the cake is baked, you will have soft, golden sweet potato slices with a delicate, thin crust enveloping the inside. Take a bite, a subtly sweet, smooth texture, and a rich, familiar sweet potato flavor, delicious in a gentle and pleasant way. And that's it! 2 simple yet wonderful ways to enjoy sweet potatoes, both nutritious and delicious. Whether you prefer soft, buttery steamed sweet potatoes or creamy, golden brown baked mashed sweet potatoes, both bring out the natural sweetness and rustic warmth of this familiar root vegetable. Cooking doesn't have to be fancy. Sometimes simple, home-cooked meals bring the most joy and peace. If today's tips inspire you, please share how you usually prepare sweet potatoes at home. Who knows, your idea might become someone's new favorite. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Clever Tricks channel to discover more heartwarming cooking ideas that will make your daily meals a little more special.